Hey YouTube family, welcome back to Eccentric Diva TV with your girl, the Eccentric Diva. Today's video is all about how to set up a softbox. I actually ordered this softbox back in March of 2018. I ordered two of them, but I've only had one set up since then. And that's the one that you see right here that's already set up. But I have another one and I'm going to show you how to set up the softbox, which makes the lighting better for, like, takes away harshness, and that's why it's called soft, because it takes away harshness of lighting. And so, like, for photography or even your videos, to give better quality. So I'm still working on my little studio. You know, I got a long ways to go, but these are a few things that I've added since you know, trying to get back into YouTube. Of course, you see my green screen in the background, and I have a ring light. And so, you know, I'm just trying to do what I can to have better quality videos. Now, I ordered this softbox, like I said, back in March off of Amazon. It's called StudioFX, 1600 watt H9004S digital photography continuous softbox lighting studio video portrait kit. Like, that's a mouthful. And it was $79, so it was like not a high-end one, but it was enough for what I needed to do, you know, for what I do. And so far I've been pleased with just the one, but now I'm going to have two because I'm going to show you how I set up the other one. As you can tell now, I have my softbox, the one that I've been using. It's on now. You can see the lighting is much better. So the softbox comes in a package just like this. And inside you have everything boxed up, and I'm going to just show you what's in each box. So it comes with 4 non-dimmable lights. They're 45 watts each, and it's 200 watt incandescent. Okay, a lot of this terminology I'm really not familiar with, but I'm just going to throw it out there because I can read it. Alright, so it comes with 4 of these non-dimmable lights. It also comes with a light socket, and so you have the light socket where you put the 4 light bulbs, and on the back you have 2 switches. You can just use one or you can use 2. Probably need to move the camera closer, so. Alright, so you have 2 switches, you know, to turn it on and off. So you also have this softbox tent. Looks like that. And you have 4 rods. And you have this diffuser. And you have this cover that goes in front of the softbox tent. The first thing we're going to do is get the stand situated. And see, it just spreads out. And then once you have it where, you know, how far you want it spread, there's a little bolt here that you would just tighten it. So I'm going towards the left to tighten my left. Okay, so that's tightened there. Then to expand it, to give it some height, you're gonna loosen to the right, and then actually I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, and then just tighten that for your height. So this next part is probably like the trickiest, as I can recall, trying to put together. Getting these rods into the light socket, and then also being able to stretch out the actual softbox tent. So you can, you know, loosen up the Velcro on there. And then you stick that in there. So you're going to take the plain end of the rod and stick it into the light box. Alright, I'm going to take it out just so you can see. There's little holes. There's little holes on the light box that you stick it in. Like that. And then on the actual tent, there's these little, like little Velcro, but it actually slips up in there. So you have to slip the part that has the groove into that little Velcro part there. So this a little challenging. So it fits up in a groove like that. The goal is to get all 4 of the rods inside this softbox tent. Okay. Okay, y'all. The hardest part of doing this is getting these freaking rods in here to where they belong. Mission accomplished, but I do remember that from when I set up my other softbox light. That was the hardest part. And I literally just had to, I got, 2 of them in, no problem. But the last 2, I actually had to bend the rod a little bit to get it in there because it's, they want it taut, And so, but after I bent a little bit, it got it in where it was supposed to go, and then I just bent it back. That's the trick. It's only, that I can give you to getting these rods in because, even after loosening up all the Velcro and trying, it just was not enough room. It was just like I had to use a little woman power and bend the rods to get them into place where they need to be. Okay, so now next thing is to put in the light bulbs. So now the light bulbs are in, and a little info about these light bulbs. They say that the life of them are based on 3 hours a day. They should last 9.1 years. The voltage is 110 volts. And estimated yearly energy cost is $5.42. That's based on 3 hours a day. And the brightness is 2800 lumens. So now that the light bulbs are in, we have to attach this inner diffuser. Now there's Velcro, these little white Velcros. There's 4 of them inside. So we're going to attach those to the Velcro that's on this diffuser. So what you actually have with the Velcro inside that's already on the shadow box, you have to open it up so that it's split between the rod, and then you already have the other piece that's on the diffuser, and you just attach it to the Velcro inside. Looks like that. Then you have what's called the top diffusion, and there is Velcro on the sides here, on each side, like in the middle on each side. So you're going to attach that to the Velcro that's on the outside. There's Velcro on the outside on the 4 sides. So you attach that to that. Now, depending on which way you want your softbox to go, like, because it can go this way or it can go this way. I have mine going this way. So in the back, there's 2 bolts. Like this one loosens so that you can make this go down, and that's the way I want it to go. I want it to go down so that when I stick the yeah, I got that right. No. All right. So that moves, but you can tighten it. So I want it to go so that it's going to stick on like that. So once I get it to the position I want, then I have to tighten this right here so it doesn't move. So I'm going to tighten that right now. Then, and there's the screw that goes through here. sure if you can see. Right here, I have to loosen that so that the stand can go up in there, and then once I have it secured on the stand, then I'll tighten that up. So we have that on where I want it, so now I'm just going to tighten that up. Okay, so we are assembled, and we're going to see how it looks. Here's one. Yay! And two. Yay! Softbox is complete. Let there be light. Alright, so that's this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know below if you use softbox for your videos and what kind you use, and any tips on how to position these things. I think I'm going to have one on each side and probably my ring light in the middle. See how that goes. But until then, I will see you in next week's video. Oh, can't forget, if you like what you see and love to be a part of the Eccentric Diva TV family, please click on the subscribe button below and also on the notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I upload. And I would just love to have you part of the Eccentric Diva TV family. So I'll see you again. Bye.